Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Heather and this is Create Your Own Cozy. On this week's video, I am sliding into fall. The weather is starting to change and I am feeling it. On today's video, I'm gonna do a couple basket projects found from the thrift store, and then I'm going to decorate my new tiered tray. If you missed last week's video, take a look. I made a tiered tray with thrifted items. But today, I'm gonna decorate this tiered tray for the fall with all thrifted items, except for this little ceramic house that I got from Hobby Lobby. It was $3.99 and 40% off. So basically, that's kind of thrift store prices. Hope you guys get some ideas to upcycle some stuff in your house and to create your own cozy. Let's get started with this basket. When I found it, it was drenched in shiny paint. Look at the bottom. It's like crusty and just filled with paint, which is a shame, but it was such a cute basket. So I took it outside with some 80 grit sandpaper just to kind of see what I was dealing with. And the color green is really cute. So I left it. I feel like it downplayed the paint that was on there. And another little hack is that if you don't like the sheen of something, cover it with a clear of the sheen that you want. So I covered it in a matte clear. That took off the glossy sheen and just covered it with a matte sheen. So next I found both of these sprigs at Hobby Lobby. They were $9.99 and 40% off because they were fall, and decided to give them both a shot. Didn't have to do much other than bend the bottom so it sits a little bit lower. And let me know what you think. Which flower would you have chosen? This next grouping I got for $3.99. And then when I went to Hobby Lobby, I saw that this gather part was for sale for $34.99, 40% off of that. So I would say I got a pretty good deal for $3.99. But I didn't quite like how store-bought it looked. So I left the Tabasco basket and the gather and took everything else off and added my own floral and a little ribbon. So let me know what you think of this one. This little acorn was only 99 cents and it had a chip on it. So I didn't think that'd be a big deal since I was going to paint it. So I just sanded it and softened the edges and added some brown and beige paint to all of these projects. Added white wax just for some muted fall tones. I found these yellow pumpkins at the thrift store and loved them exactly the way they were. So I was basically trying to use some muted tones to go with the yellow, the burnt, yummy yellow fall color that I have in this next grouping. So let me know, what do you think of these items and the yellow? And I would love to know what colors you guys are thinking about using for your fall decorations this year. I used Waverly white wax first on this little guy, and he basically, since it's so creamy, it looked like he had butter all over him. And since I knew it was going on a white tiered tray, I added white wax from DIY instead. So what'd you guys think? Let me know in the comments below what your favorite thrifted item was, what your favorite thrift flip was, and also I'd love to know what colors you guys are gonna be using this fall. You're gonna do with yellows, burnt oranges, blues or greens? I would love to know what you guys are thinking. So as always, give me a like if you like this video. I look forward to seeing you guys again next week. Bye, friends.